So we just were talking about 2 by 1 multiplication. So let's see if we can figure out what 3 by 1 multiplication will look like. So if I have an equation that looks like this, 164. That's my 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. And I'm going to multiply it by 6. So just like I did with the 2's, I start with this first. So 6 times 4 is 24. Remember, I can only put that number in the ones because I have to put the 2 of the 24. That's a 10, right? So I have to put it up there with the 10s. Then, my second time, I have to do my 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. So if it's 36, I have my 6 goes here. And you've got it. That 3 has to... Oh, but I forgot something. Oh, no. It is 36, but what number do I have up here? Oh, wow. Good thing I remembered, because it's 36 plus 2 more, right? So it's actually going to be 38. Oh, good thing I remembered that. So I put my 8 down here, and I put the 3 right up over the hundreds. Then I go for my third multiplication, which would be 6 times 1, which is 6 times 1 is 6. But I have to add that number, which is 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So my answer for 164 times 6 is 984. Let's do another one just so we can practice. So I'll erase this one off my board. And I'll give us room for one more. Let's do, what? I can hear some kids out there going, make it hard. So we'll do a little bit trickier. Let's start with a 452 times 6. Again, let's do with that times 6. So what do I start with? I start with my ones. So 6 times 2 is what? 6 times 2 equals 12, right? So the 2 goes in the 1 spot, and that 10, that 1 that's in the 10 spot, goes in and above the 10s. So my second one is what? 5 times 6, because there's the 5, and there's the times 6, right? And 5 times 6, who knows what that is? I can count by my 5s and figure it out pretty easy, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's 30. Plus, what do I have to do up here? I have to add that 1. So it equals actually 31. My 1 goes here, but I can't put 2 numbers here right now, so I have to put the 3 above the hundreds. Then I do my next one. So I do what? Do you remember what it is? It would be 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. Plus, what do I have to do up there? Plus that 3, right? Equals 24, 27, right? Since I have no more numbers to multiply, I put that down there, 27. So the answer to 452 times 6 is 2,712. I sometimes like to do my little multiplication over here so that I can have it somewhere where I can like do that little tiny multiplication.